don't turn into powder, you can't take am, can't go get eko. You know what we call eko? Agidi. Igbo they call them agidi. Eko elewe. That pap with the inside leaf, with the inside leaf. Eko elewe. Agidi. Just get them. If you get the agidi, then carry that powder where you don't grind. Mix am with the agidi, mix am. Do am water, do am. Drink, pray inside, oh, call God inside, because now God give you the knowledge. I swear to God, anybody will try, we won't harm you. If you dey hear back to sender, go and do it. So this one no be anything, you no get any incantation, no be say you won't go bow down for anything. Now just alligator pepper and your eba. You can use amala if you know they eat eba. You fit use amala do am, but eba, then we dey use do am. But amala sef dey good. Just put am inside, leave am. Keep am inside house. No dry am for outside. Oh. Keep am inside house. Make it dry very well. If you don't dry very well, blend your thing. But the day where you grind another day, now you go take am. If you don't grind and finish, look for a coily way. Carry and mix some water. Drink. Pray inside. Say, as anybody will think evil against you, make the thing back to sender. Say anybody come against you, just do everything. Carry on. Drink am. You see, it dey work like magic. It dey work like magic. It dey work like magic. So let me quickly drop one before I round up. For those who come, I really thank you. My God, God bless you. So let me drop one for our men in the house. If you are the type, I don't drop this post before for my Facebook channel. If you be the type where you know they get morning erection again, and if you sleep, they disturb you. This one is small. Okay, small but mighty. You know they really get morning erection again. Go get gloves. That's konofuru. Konofuru there, but I don't want to stand up. Go get gloves, konofuru. Get them plenty. Come get garlic. Get them plenty. If you don't get these two, then pour them inside something. Put water inside. Keep them for 3 days. After 3 days, begin the take them. You see this thing? It dey work. You see, number one, you go first clear all those jelly in this, but that morning action when you clear, when you get again, you go start to get them again. It's very good, except if you have infection. If you have infection, treat the infection. If you have infection, treat the infection. But if you don't get infection, go do this one. Plenty garlic and konofuru, that's gloves. Go do one. Honestly, if you do one, you go thank God. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am really grateful. Story Hot Studio. Thank you so much. Amazing. Thank you so much. Casey, thank you so much. Everybody, happiness, everybody. I thank you so much. May you be blessed. And please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe. From now, every of my African folktale that I do, I'll be including one about remedies. So please subscribe and also go and follow me in my other channel, Mudorin Apps and Spiritual. Mudorin Apps and Spiritual. And as you do this, may you be blessed. If you have any question, please drop it before we end this live. Any question? Any question? If you have any question, please drop it before we end this live. If you have anything that is bothering you, drop it before we end this live. If there's anything that is bothering you, please drop it. If there's anything that is bothering you, please drop it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am really, really, really grateful. Thank you so much. May you be blessed. 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 If there's anything that is bothering you, please say it.